I thought this was supposed to be about stocks. Where?
What's up, people? Everyone's a genius in a bull moment. We're not calling it bull moves or bull markets or bear markets. It's now, we work in moments. This is our bull moment right now. On Wednesday, the frustration meter had gone all the way to the other side of the planet. Other side, frustration was at its best. So in the heat of me being completely frustrated, I decided to do the most asinine thing I could possibly think of, and that was cover all my shorts and go long and completely go 100% from where I was just 20 minutes prior to what I was saying to where we are today. What did I just say? What did I just say? What I'm trying to tell you is that on Thursday I was buying Priceline, U.S. Steel, you know the whole entire list. I was buying stocks based on me not wanting to buy stocks. Okay, let me explain. When I'm as frustrated as I was, because I'm sick and tired of the shell game that we're playing. It's move the money here, move the money here, move the money here. Who needs to bail out next? Round and round and round and round we go. Inevitably, that's going to end up bad. But I forgot. We don't care about what's going to happen a month from now, or, God damn it, talking about 2 years from now or 3 years from now. We don't care about the debt that we're putting ourselves in. We don't care about the situation that we're building for our kids. Because you know what I like to say? Fuck a kid, fuck a chart. It's all about sentiment right now. So yesterday, we were talking about more of the same. What could be more asinine than the market just having a great June? Because who expected June to be great after the sell in May and go away? You thought June would be bumping around the lows and having a hard time? No. As soon as that thought process came in, they talked about government intervention. Now, here's the thing about government intervention. They don't even have to do anything as long as the thought of them being there to protect us from the market going down is there, then we're okay. We got through the grease. The market gapped down, gave us a great buying opportunity yesterday, and now we are having more of the same. So the charts are just not lying to you right now. Any chart that you've seen, that little double bottom from May till last week, everything is now accelerating. So anything you feel uncomfortable about chasing right now, like the U.S. Steel, yeah, you missed the bottom by a little bit, but you're going to get the stock to go back to 20. We're along the U.S. Steel. The Netflix, you got your little takeover rumor that started. You got to love that stock, 67. We held it overnight. The Priceline, as much as I hated the Priceline, I thought it was going to 550. You got to look at what the market's doing. You got long the Priceline there at $640. So right now, everyone's a genius. Get your genius cap on, because no matter what you say, you're going to be right as long as you're smashing the keyboard on the right side of the keyboard where the buys are, if you are set up that way. As long as you're buying, you're going to be all right. Yeah, see, this is my stick of glory right here. Smash this fucker against your keyboard. Pick up some keys, because that's the moment that we're in right now. The bull moment is here. Whether or not today, considering this is the fourth day of it, whether we subside at the end of the day, but try to think, what's the most asinine, absurd thing to have happen now? Right now. Rally to the highs of the year. That's what I'm thinking right now. So we went from about to fall off the earth and retest the lows from December to now we're going back to the highs of the year.
You know, these price predictions of grandeur just don't make any sense.
Exactly.
Uh-oh.
Exactly. They're not supposed to make sense, because what we do is we trade what's going on during the day, and if anything, you hold small overnights to partake in the small gaps and then play your stocks accordingly. I actually made a list and wrote things down this time. Netflix we held overnight, ILMN, Facebook, U.S. Steel, GMCR, CIGX, and Bizarre Voice. And they all worked out, sold at the open, then re-evaluated, got back into the Netflix and the ILMN, the U.S. Steel, and you know what? Everything's working out, because you know why? Everyone's a genius in a bull move.